So guys, let us now see about operations on fractions. This means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on fractions. Starting with addition, starting with simple fractions, 2 over 5, and then plus, since it is addition, 3 over 4. So this is equal to, the first step, just draw a line to separate the numerator and denominator, then find the LCM of the denominators, the LCM of 5 and 4. This is equal to 20. So 20 is our new denominator. Write 20 here. Now take the first fraction, 2 over 5, then multiplied by the new denominator, which is 20. So this is equal to 8. So we write 8 as the first numerator. Then take the other fraction, which is 3 over 4. Then multiplied by the new denominator, which is 20. So this is equal to 15. So the numerator is 8 plus 15. This is equal to 23 over 20. That's your answer. Now, how can we add the mixed fractions? For example, 2 over 3, then plus the other fraction, 2, 1 over 2. So this is equal to, first of all, here we start with the whole numbers. This 3, then plus 2, which is equal to 5. So we write 5, then put the line to separate the numerator and denominator. The LCM of denominators 3 and 2 is 6. Now 2 over 3 times 6 is 4, then plus 1 over 2 times 6 is 3. This is equal to 5 and 7 over 6. Now since this is improper, to make it proper you have 6, 1 over 6 after dividing. That is the answer. Now about subtraction, let us see how we can operate the fractions on subtraction. Now 3 over 4, then minus 1 over 5. Now the same way, put the equal sign, draw the line to separate numerator and denominator, then the LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. The first fraction, 3 over 4 times 20 is equal to 15, and then minus the other fraction is 1 over 4 times 20. This is 4. So the answer is 11 over 20. Now how can we subtract the mixed fractions? 9, 1 over 2, then minus 4 and 3 over 8. Now here also we start with the whole numbers, which are 9 and 4. So 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Then put the line. Then the LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. Then a half times 8 equals to 4. Then 4 minus 3 over 8 times 8 is 3. So this is equal to 5 1 over 8. That's your answer. Now, how can we multiply the fractions? Starting with simple fractions, 2 over 3, then multiplied by 3 over 4. So this is equal to, in multiplication, we multiply numerators by numerators and denominators by denominators. So 2 times 3, then over 3 times 4. So this is the same as, this is equal to, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Now the numerator is 6. And then over 3 times 4, the numerator is 12. Now this can be simplified. After simplifying, you get 1 over 2. That's the answer. Now, how can we multiply the mixed fractions? So here you have maybe 5 times 2, 3 over 4. So here everything should be in form of fractions. How can we write fraction in form 5 in form of fraction? This can be written as 5 over 1 and then multiplied by, change this one into improper fraction. So this is the same as 11 over 4. So numerators by numerators and then denominators by denominators. So 5 times 11 divided by 1 times 4. This is equal to 55 over 4. How can we divide fractions? Division on fractions, starting with the simple fractions. 3 divided by 5, then divide by 2 over 3. This is equal to, first of all, write the first fraction, which is 3 divide over 5, and then change the division sign into multiplication. And then the other fraction, you do the reciprocal. You turn it upside down. So here it is 3 over 2. As you can see here, it was 2 over 3. Now it is 3 over 2. Now do the procedures on how we do on multiplication of fractions. So 3 times 3, then down here it is 5 times 2. This is equal to 9 on the numerator and then on the denominator over 10. How can we divide mixed fractions now? 4, 1 over 4, then divide by the other 5, 1 over 5. Now this is equal to, first of all, change all of the fractions into improper fractions. The first is 17 over 4, and then divide by 26 over 5. Now we continue with the other procedures. Write the first fraction, 17 over 4, then change the sign into multiplication and then the reciprocal of the other fraction. So 5 over 26. Now multiplying the numerator, you have 85, and then the denominator is 104. Answer.